Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we got this wireless video doorbell with chime and it's from the brand Bextgoo, and yeah, it's supposedly a cheaper version if you don't want to get the big brands that are out there. It should be doing the same thing as them. So let's have a short look what we can expect in this package here and open that up. So yeah, let's lift that top here and see what's in here. So we got the menu sitting on top. There's a sticker if you want to let people know that you are recording your property or your entrance of your house or whatever. Then there's a sticker to help you to figure out where to drill the holes to install it, so that's kind of nice. Then there's a USB-C cable to load that whole thing, so that also indicates and let us know how to charge that thing. There's some screws. Then there's our repeller or our buzzer. Oh, it's a buzzer, yeah. Okay, so we can open the door with that. That's interesting. So let's put that back in there. And then the camera itself is here. Have a little look. Scoop that out. And then we have an idea what we can expect here. So there's the camera. Let's remove this so we can have a better look. Satisfying moment. And this is what the camera looks like. So we got a speaker. Then in here is our slot for an SD card and USB-C to charge that thing, so we can save videos on here as well if that's something we want to do. And all you have to do is set it up with your Wi-Fi and then install it, and it's good to go. On the back you see that's also a way how you can install it. There's also this buzzer here that lets us know that somebody is ringing the door. And yeah, now it's sending a signal. People know now that they did ring the door, obviously. And then we get a notification on our phone and we can check out what's happening. Or if you did connect it to your smart home, you will have a picture there as well. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. And I say that's it for today's video. See ya later. Better and out.